Okay, all right, so here we go. Tonight's homework is page 309. What is it? 36 to 40. All right, now, what I'm going to do is go over two of them. All right, one is 36 because I think it's worth going over. And then the other one is 38. Now, if you can do 38, well, listen to this. If you can do 30. Okay, we'll do 36. You can absolutely do 37. 37. If you can do 38, or if you understood what I said for 38, you can do 39 and 40. Okay, that's how they're connected together. Okay, 36 now. The original value is 5 feet. And this student profiled it 20% higher. So now some of you might say, well, I mean, it doesn't sound too familiar to anything we've done in class. And I would say au contraire, because you can see it like it's a tax, right? It's like because with tax, you're taking 20% of, you're taking percent of a number and you add it back, or simply multiply by 1 point, whatever. It's actually the same thing. Okay, so think of it like this. If you're doing it the slightly slower way, you could say, what is, actually, no, let's erase that part. You can say this. You can say, you can do step one, step two. So step one would be taking 0.2 times 5, which is 1, right? 20% of 5 is 1. And then you take the 1, you add it back to the original, and that will be 6. So it will be, say, 6 feet, right? The super fast way is to multiply this by 1.2, right? Again, kind of like sales tax, okay? It's actually nothing new. That's why I picked this question. I want to see if you can make the connection. 1.2 times 5, 6. A little faster, okay? All right, 38. Now, this is interesting because this is actually a type A, type B, type C sort of question. So you invested some money, made a profit of $55. Your profit was 11% of your investment. So what they're saying is this: 11 per cent is $55, which is out of what? Hi, what's the original? Think of it like that, okay? So let's see, 11% was your investment. No, profit is 11%, which is $55, 100%. What would that be? Okay, so this is a type C question. Okay, all right, we're back. Mr. Osborne had a question for me. Okay, so now think about it. This is a type C, right? Which means this: $55 is 11% of what? Okay, that's the type C question. So 11% of what is $55? Okay, so now let me just grab my trusty calculator real quick. 55 times 100 is 5,500. Divided by 11, what is that? 500. Okay, so the original is 5. Oh, come on, times 5, right, okay. Oops. All right. Not always the expert on this. Hi. Okay, hold on. Okay, I have an unusual amount of visitors this early in the morning. It's not even 8 yet, technically. Okay, all right, so that's it, okay? If you can do 38 on your own or watching this and understand it, follow the blueprint and do 39 and 40, okay? And that's it. Okay, thanks for watching.
OMG, that was so good.